Hello viewers, welcome to our channel The Forex Trends, and I hope you all are doing well. I am also good, and as per our speculation, gold is moving towards 2500. That's a great news for us. So in this video, I am going to analyze gold, that is XAUUSD, and I will try to find potential trade setups for intraday purpose. So let's get started. So before jump into the chart, we need to check the fundamental things around the US economy. So this is the economic calendar for today. And as you can see, there is no any high impact news in today, but there is a FOMC member Waller speak at 7 p.m. IST, and it may show a good volatility in the market once again. But fundamentally, the market sentiment remains the same. We may see rate cuts by the Fed this year, but the question is now, how many rate cuts can we expect? Will the Fed cut rates aggressively? So in my opinion, at 25 BPS, rate cut is almost certain. Okay. However, if we see the US labor market cooling unexpectedly, and if we see economy gradually declining, the Fed might also consider an aggressive rate cut. So we need to focus on labor market data in the upcoming weeks. On the other hand, as we are retail traders, we need to find edges for trading in gold according to the current sentiment. And the current fundamental sentiment clearly indicates that gold will remain bullish and the DXY will remain bearish amid of worldwide rate cut expectations. So we'll trade as per the current sentiment. Do not trade against the sentiment, against the market trend. Always follow the market trend. If you do not get any trade at any day, there is no problem. It is also your winning day, but respect your hard-earned money. Do not lose it. Wait for your turn. So that's all in fundamental, and we'll see in evening what will happen after release of this speech. If Waller give us any indication to cut rate immediately, we may see a good volume and good bullishness in the gold again. And let's check the chart. So the first thing which I want to tell you guys, now market has break the all-time high, and we do not have any resistance above this high. So how can we find the retracement zone and how can we put our target? So I will explain these things. Firstly, we know there is a logical resistance will work whenever there are not any static resistance in the chart. We do not have any static resistance right now because market is break the all-time high. So the logical resistance will work for that time, and the logical resistance is the round numbers, that is 2500, 2490, 2480. That's all are logical resistance as it is round number. Okay, this is a one way to find the resistance or put your target. And the other way we may use a tool for that. Let me show you the tools. We have a Fibo retracement based extension tool. We may use this for the find the resistance. If I put this tool here, you can see, okay, 247980. 2479 is a our 1.618% extension retracement of Fibo. So this is one of our logical resistance. And check how nicely it works. It take resistance from here, it take another resistance from here. So these tools will work at this scenario. Okay, and now we do not initiate any sell, but if you want to initiate a sell from by put SL at this level, you may go for it. If we get the price, this zone, that is 2470 to 2480, once again we may initiate a sell up to this level, but sell is risky. Wait for this order block. This is a good order block. If we find the price at this order block, we will initiate a buy from here for another impulsive move. So this is a good order block zone. Market is clearly bullish as per advanced market structure. If I draw the market structure, you can see market is clearly bullish and continue creating higher high and higher lows. So this is our last break of structure. Okay, as per 4-hour structure and as per break advanced market structure, this is our first point of interest to join this bullish trend. So this is 2430 to 2431 to 38 price. If we get the price at 2431 to 38, we may initiate a buy from here. This is our first trade setup for today. And our second point of interest is there. Okay. If we get the price at this zone, we may initiate a buy from here also. Okay, that's all in 4-hour frame. Let's check into 1-hour frame. In 1-hour frame, we have retracement from here. So for intraday purpose, we may initiate a buy from this zone also because there is a supply. Sorry, there is a demand, but this is a best price to join this bullish trend. Find this thing, and the price zone is 2432 to 2441. In 1-hour frame, if we use the Fibo expansion tool like this, we have a support at 2457 level also. That means this zone will work for this time. for small profit. And our next target will be 2500-2502 level as per this Fibo expansion tool. And if we get the price at 2500 to 2502 level, we may initiate a sell from there also after getting some evidence in 1 minute or 5 minute frame. 2500 to 02. Mind this price also for selling purpose. Until market reach this zone, we do not initiate any sale in gold. So there is another thing, the retracement in 1 hour and 4 hour is still pending at this area and also at this area. So keep in mind this thing. Market may approach to this area once again. Do not change your bias from bullish to bearish whenever market approaching this zone. We will remain bullish until the market sentiment will change. Okay, so that's all for today. And all right, so wraps up today's analysis of gold. If you really feel it is informative and helpful for your trading, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. By subscribing, you will stay updated with our latest content, tips, and strategies that help you trade smarter and more profitably in the forex market. So, my dear viewers, thanks for watching and stay tuned to our channel for more videos like this.